Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be making fresh from the garden zucchini pancakes. So let's begin. So I decided to take some items from my garden. This is some fresh scallion that I've been growing. So I'm just going to pick a few of these off. And then I'm going to take that massive zucchini my friend shared with me from her garden. So this zucchini was featured in the zucchini bread video. I will attach that video in the description section just in case you guys missed it. So these are our fresh items that we are going to use for the recipe. We have our scallions. We have about 2 garlic cloves, a half an onion, and a half of green bell pepper. And what we're going to do is take these fresh items and we're going to saute them in some olive oil until they are nice and tender. So guys, I took enough olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to heat this up not too high because we do not want to burn our items. And then we are going to just saute these for no more than about 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see here, guys, I'm going to start with those onions, and then I'm going to put in our green pepper and then some scallions. And the reason why I'm doing it this way, that garlic cooks really quickly. So garlic really should be the last thing in, because if you put it in too early, it will burn. And you do not want burnt garlic chips in your food because that's all you will taste is burnt garlic. So we're going to continue to saute these for a little bit. And then we're going to add in those scallions and we're going to add in the garlic. And then we're going to move on to the next step. So guys, we are going to add the rest of our veggies, the scallions and the garlic, into our saute. And then we are going to just mix them up so everything is nice and well blended. So this would be a good time to add a little salt and pepper to the mix, just to give everything a nice little taste. Then we're going to remove our veggies from the heat, set to the side, and we're going to move on to our next step. So you're going to need a mixing bowl. And you're going to add in 2 cups of shredded zucchini. So guys, when I shredded up that zucchini, it actually made 4 cups of zucchini. So that's why I made the zucchini bread first. And this time I made the zucchini pancakes next because it made a lot of zucchini. So from here, for our zucchini pancakes, we're going to add a half a cup of flour to a half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs to our zucchini. I'm then going to add about a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. I wanted to really give this thing a nice seasoning. So the tablespoon should be enough. Guys, if you like something a little more, you can add a little more. This is just what I started with for mine. So I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. That's my blend. You can use any blend that you like. I'm also going to add in some of that sprinkled Parmesan cheese, probably about 1/4 of a cup. This will give it a nice little crisp when I fry it along with the breadcrumbs, and it also gives it some additional flavor. So I'm also going to take some dry parsley and just sprinkle some in there. The breadcrumbs have parsley in it, but I just decided to add a little bit of extra. And now that we have all our ingredients and our zucchini, we are going to give everything a nice, good stirring. So make sure you stir that mix up. Lastly, we are going to add our eggs. The eggs are going to help everything combine together so that we can make those nice pancake forms, guys. So you need these eggs. So I'm going to break them one at a time and then stir all of the additional ingredients together. So those stir-fried veggies that we did early on, we're going to now add them to our mix. And we are going to give it a nice, good stirring one more time. And then we are going to start forming those pancakes to fry up. So guys, I'm going to form these into pancakes. I'm going to heat some olive oil in a pan until it's nice and warm. And then I am going to fry them on each side until they are golden brown. And then we are going to have our zucchini pancakes. So guys, here are our zucchini pancakes. They are nice and golden brown. And they smell wonderful and they tasted wonderful too. So I decided to put a little sour cream on top to give it a nice little taste, and it was a really good addition. So guys, I would recommend that you try this recipe at home. I'm sure no one will mind eating their veggies this way. So it is definitely a recipe I would tell you to try with the family. I'm sure you would get zero complaints. It was actually really tasty and really good. So guys, thank you again for joining me for another video. We really appreciate your support and we would really love to hear from you. So please leave a comment down in the comment section, a smiley face, a thumbs up. We would love to hear from you in any way possible. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We upload a new video weekly. See you then. Bye.